Have you ever wondered how you can completely remove an album from Apple Music? That's a very good question. Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to completely and fully remove an album from Apple Music using a Mac computer in the year 2026. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, Apple Music, as well as an album that we have imported to the application. We can now start this tutorial. So now let's go all the way down to the dock, go to Apple Music, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, let's now go to albums. We have one album on screen that was imported into the application. Now we want to completely remove that from the application. Let's now highlight the album, right click, delete from library. Are you sure you want to delete the selected songs from your music library? These songs will also be deleted from any iPod, iPhone, or iPad that synchronizes with your music library. So let's now click on delete songs. We should also receive another message that says, do you want to move the selected songs to the bin or keep them in the media folder? In this tutorial, we want to completely remove everything from Apple Music, whether it's 2 albums, 3 albums. In this tutorial, we have one. We are primarily focusing on one album to completely have that revoked and removed. So let's now click on move to bin. We now see the message, add music to your library, browse millions of songs and collect your favorites here, browse Apple Music. Let's now go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder. Let's go to music, go to music again, go to media. And here we used to have the artist Michael Jackson with the album Thriller. That has now been completely revoked and removed, as we have completely removed that from our system. So we can now quit Finder, go back to Apple Music, quit music. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.